Hello, guys. What's up? How's your weekend? How's your Monday? I hope you're good. Ready to face the market this week? In this video, we're going to be breaking down the major pairs, gold, obviously, a couple of indices, the vibes. And starting off, we're going to start off with the fundamentals. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lawrence. You can call me Black. Be sure to subscribe as we post weekly market breakdowns and midweek sometimes some strategies and tips on how to actually break down the market. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. We're going to start off with the fundamentals of the week. Monday is past. As you can see, we had only two fundamentals. So today is Tuesday. On Tuesday, what we're having is the euro. President Lagarde is going to be speaking on the euro, obviously in the London session, and the rest of the US. The Fed showed, this is a speech. This is a speech. So here's the thing about fundamentals. Speeches are sometimes strong, but then their impact in the market are long-term. Like it doesn't happen during the event. So actually it's not like here it's written at 9. It won't happen at night. It might happen at 10 and all that. So I don't really usually focus on the speeches. I usually focus on those high impact news, which are actually instantaneous, right? So on today, you can see you have 3 speeches. I'm not going to be focusing on them. And on the US, we're going to have this short-term energy outlook, which isn't a strong event. So today we might be having a free throw, I might say. So tomorrow we have a core CPI. It's a strong event for the US. Obviously, as you can see tomorrow, the US will be dominated by crazy fundamentals, right? And 3 of them at the same time. We have the crude oil investors at 10, which will be separate time, and employment change for the Aussie, strong event. On Thursday, this will be actually the strongest event of the week for the Aussie. On Thursday, we have the GDP for the pound, right? And then we have manufacturing PMI for pound also, OMM for September, strong event. As you know, September is a quarter, so it's going to be strong. ECB forecast for the euro, and on Friday we're going to have jolt openings for September for the US. So today and tomorrow will actually be the strongest events. Excuse me. On Wednesday and Thursday will actually be the strongest days of the week. So yeah, let's dive right into the charts and see what's up, right? Okay, we're going to start off with excuse me. We're going to start off with the US. Let's see what's up with it. For the US, obviously, right now prices on this support area, on this support zone here. But generally, I'm actually bearish biased. But my confirmation will actually come when prices break below this here, break below this support area, and actually keep on pushing lower. That will give me my confirmation on the sales of the US. I'm actually bearish biased because I believe from the weekly structure, we can actually see as if prices are on this weekly resistance zone here, and they're actually creating some sort of a double top. So I'll be expecting to see prices reach here, probably break below this ascending trend line, give me a retest. Let's remove this and then push all the way down here. As you can see here, we have this double top. So take profits will be around this zone here, right? So that's my general outlook on the US dollar, right? I'm bearish biased. So let's see how it plays out. In general, I'll be expecting to see, or I'll be bearish biased, actually confirmations after prices break below here. And as you can see, prices are still having this bearish, crazy bearish momentum with no bulls in control at all. Okay, so let's check our USD chef. USD chef, obviously the US is going low. USD chef will also be going lower. As you can see, it's creating lower highs. Since all here, we had a high, we had a lower high, resistance, support bounced off, lower high, and prices are actually pushing lower in that sense. Looking at this resistance area, if prices break below here, it will be a swivel, it will be going down, will be falling down to the trenches, as my nigga Cupid Fuego likes to say that. We'll be falling to the trenches. He actually uses the trenches to talk about the gym, but I don't know why they say that. Okay, USD JPY. USD JPY. You can see here, I gave this poll last week on prices. If you think prices will be going above or breaking below, it's a good thing that most of y'all said it will be going below, because that's what happened. Prices just broke out below this week. And as you know, JPY, these pairs are actually breakout pairs, not break and retest. So here, I'll be expecting to see prices keep on falling until down here. Okay, and I'm a break and retest trader. So if it doesn't retest, oh well, farewell. So yeah, so good luck with this. If you see an opportunity to short it, take your shot. Take a big profit around 132. We have Euro USD. Euro USD. Bullish biased, obviously. As you can see, prices just broke above this trend. 9 minutes until this 4-hour closes, and it's a very strong bullish candlestick. First targets will be around here. As you can see, we have this soft move, this swivel right here. We have this nice fall here. So it's a free fall. Obviously, prices will be looking to go all the way until around 1.17. We have GBP USD, bullish biased, obviously. As you can see here, no resistance in sight until prices reach here. But then once prices reach here, then they'll have already broken above this zone here, previous zone. So then what I'm expecting to see is for prices to actually be doing this, for prices to hit that, come back, retest here, and actually go all the way up there. So that's what I'm expecting on GBP USD. Let's see how it plays out. My entries, potential entries targets will be around here for this bullish trend, right? Okay, so we have gold. Let's look at S&P 500 1 minute before I actually go into gold. S&P 500. Let's take a look at S&P 500. Okay, let's give it a minute to load. Looks like the network is a bit low. So yeah, guys, this is going to be a great week. I can feel that. I can feel that. I know it is. I know it is. Okay, okay. Something is up with the network. Nice, okay. So we have gold. This is on the 4-hour. You can see it's actually losing momentum. It's losing momentum, guys. It's losing momentum, and it's in a resistance zone. And even more importantly, it's on a descending trend line. Let me show y'all. It's on a descending trend line. Look at that. It was losing momentum since yesterday. And it's on a descending trend line, about to hit a third touch. Let's see this. First stop, second stop, third stop, right? So that means this will be the third touch on a descending trend line. And you know about the third touch, right? So that means what I'm expecting to see right now here on gold is for prices to actually do that. Boom. Fall there, and then probably if they break below, fall all the way down there. So that's my actually general view on gold. Now let's look at S&P 500. The charts were taking a minute to load, so I had to switch it up. Okay, S&P 500. Let's remove this one. It has actually already been used. Nah. Prices are way overbought. Prices are way overbought. And then you can see here yesterday prices closed with with a doji. So what I'm expecting to see is for prices to actually come down here, gain some bullish momentum before they actually bounce back up, right? So that's my view on S&P 500. Let's look at Volatility 75. Prices have broken below this trend here, right? Above this descending trend line. Closed with some dojis, indicating a lack of momentum. And right now you can see prices are actually here gaining some bullish momentum. So what I'm expecting for this currency, for this index to play out, is for prices to actually just push all the way until somewhere around here and meet our first targets. That's what's up with, excuse me. That's what I'm expecting to see on volatility 75, prices to actually gain that bullish momentum and push high. So if this video has been of help to you guys, that's the end of it. Smash that like. Don't forget to subscribe for future content. Comment in the comments below what you'd like me to teach about, what you'd like me to make a video on. So till next time, guys, this was Black. Hope you have a great week. Peace and love.